Hi! Today I'm gonna build a spindle. This is a really easy build. You use a spindle to spin yarn. It's a really old tool. All you need is a stick, something to create a flywheel effect, which will make it easier to spin, and you need some sort of a hook in one end. We're gonna get the flywheel effect with something that you can make into a sort of a disc and fit it onto this stick. I'm using some wood and we're going to shape it roughly round, drill a hole into it and just press it on. The hook to the end I make by first drilling a hole and then sawing an opening. You don't have to make it more advanced than that. You could also use some sort of a hook, screw-on hook or something like that. You have the yarn attached to the spindle, you give it a spin, and then you start pulling wool from your wool hand. You let it go with your other hand, the twist travels up, and then you take a new pull. When the spindle stops spinning, just take hold of it and start to spin again. And you pull some wool, pull it out, you release your other hand, and the twist travels up. When the spindle gets too low, maybe it touches the floor, you pick it up, you unhook, and then you just wheel it in on the spindle. And then you hook the yarn again, you spin it, and you start pulling out. It's kind of as simple as that. When you're done, when you feel like I have enough yarn, you remove it from the spindle and make it into a ball. It's difficult to get consequently good, even yarn. The harder you spin yarn to a point, the stronger it gets. If you spin the yarn too much, you can get a twisting in the thing you're stitching. If you spin it too loosely, it's not as strong. Sometimes the yarn breaks. Sometimes it's really a hassle to get back into it. But usually just try and loosen up both of the ends a bit and then try to have a long overlap and start it again. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have some thoughts, maybe you can teach me something, comment it down below. If you enjoyed it, subscribe. I'm gonna stitch something out of this. You don't want to miss it.